welcome back everyone. This is the last video of this series regarding West Bengal Central School Service Commission Slst Biology for 9th level. In this video I am talking about the physiology syllabus. Mainly I am talking here about the topics of physiology for Slst Biology 9th level. First topic is of physiology is units of human systems. Next topic is biochemical and biophysical principles involved in human systems. Next, conservation of matter and energy in human systems, which includes the alimentary system, biochemistry and metabolism, nutrition, minerals. Next topic of physiology is blood. Fifth chapter is cardiovascular system, which includes the heart and circulation. Next is respiratory system in details. Next, renal physiology, that means excretion. Next, nerve impulse physiology, in which you have to study all about muscles and nerves. Next chapter is nervous system and sensory physiology, which includes the reflex action. You have to study cerebral cortex and everything about brain. You also have to study the audition, pathways, vision related questions, everything. Next topic is skin and regulation of body temperature. 11th chapter is endocrine system. And last topic is reproductive biology or reproductive physiology. And in this video I am also talking about how many questions come on the first SLST from physiology portion. So there are 18 questions came on the first SLST from physiology. I have already told in the previous videos how many questions from botany, how many questions from zoology, and in this video I am talking about the physiology. So here I am telling you that 18 questions came on the first SLST from physiology portion for class 9-10 level. And which chapters are important and from which chapters questions came on the first SLST? From biochemical and biophysical principles involved in human systems. From here questions came alimentary system, biochemistry and metabolism, vitamins. From vitamins questions came. From blood, respiratory system, renal physiology, and from nerve muscle physiology. This is the very important chapter. From on the last SLST many questions came from nerve muscle physiology as well as nervous system and sensory physiology. Okay, these two chapters are very important. I am also repeating that nerve muscle physiology and nervous system and sensory physiology is very important. On last SLST many questions came from the physiology portion from these two topics. So these two topics are very important. Next chapter is skin and regulation of body temperature. From here questions came from endocrine system and reproductive physiology questions came. Okay, and very important chapter is nervous system and sensory physiology and nerve muscle physiology. Many questions came on the last SLST from physiology portion from these 2 chapters. So you have to study well, and all the best for SLST aspirants. I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel for getting more videos like that. Thank you very much.